this is Kim Freeman. I'm down here at Austin Pets Alive, which is kind of a last chance shelter for cats that were on the euthanasia list. This is Isa, and she's about a year old. She was found in Bastrop and brought into the pound. She's obviously been someone's pet. This is another example of one of the many cats who was not found. The average recovery rate for cats without professional help is 8%. With professional help, Missing Pet Partnership analyzed over 600 cases and was able to improve those odds from 8% up 5 times. That's more than quadruple the chance of finding your cat with professional help. I have put together a book that has all of the tips and advice that pet detectives use to find lost cats and quadruple people's chances of getting them back, and hopefully making a dent in the number of cats that end up in shelters. I would like more people to find their kitties so that they don't end up here. Kim Freeman, Lost Cat Finder, and Isa.